मैंने अपना वादा निभाया।
I kept my promise. I kept my promise.
अच्छा हुआ तुम आ गए।
Good, you are here. Good, you are here.
तुम्हें मजाक लग रहा है।
You find it funny. You find it funny.
मुझे इसे ठीक करवाना है।
I need to get it fixed. I need to get it fixed.
मुझे नींद आ रही है।
I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy.
बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए।
Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need.
मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है।
I am not used to it. I am not used to it.
तो आदत डाल लो।
Then, get used to it. Then, get used to it.
मैं 1 मिनट में आया।
I will be back in a minute. I will be back in a minute.
वो मेरा सगा भाई है।
He is my whole brother. He is my whole brother.
मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ।
I'm reaching home soon. I'm reaching home soon.
क्या तुम्हें लगता है मैं जीतूंगा?
Do you think I will win? Do you think I will win?
मैं नवंबर में पैदा हुआ था।
I was born in November. I was born in November.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता।
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
मैं उसे जानता भी नहीं हूँ।
I don't even know her. I don't even know her.
ये तो कुछ और है।
This is something else. This is something else.
ये तो कोई और है।
This is someone else. This is someone else.
अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है।
It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess.
उससे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी।
I didn't expect it from her. I didn't expect it from her.
क्या तुम कुछ कह रहे हो?
Are you saying something? Are you saying something?
शायद वो रास्ता भूल गया हो।
He might be lost. He might be lost.
अगर मैं पकड़ा गया तो?
What if I get caught? What if I get caught?
घूर किसको रहे हो?
Who are you staring at? Who are you staring at?
तुम्हें क्या लगा ये कौन है?
Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is?
मैं तेरा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा।
I will break your jaw. I will break your jaw.
वह 2 घंटे में निकलेगा।
He will leave in 2 hours. He will leave in 2 hours.
वो मुझसे 8 बजे के बाद मिला।
He met me after 8. He met me after 8.
वो मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है।
He is not a friend of mine. He is not a friend of mine.
तुम समझते क्या हो खुद को डोट?
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?